Today we'll study poem books and it is written by the poet Eleanor Farjeon. Let us have a small introduction about the poet. As an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry and biographies. She won many literary awards for her work. The Eleanor Farjeon Award for Children's Literature is presented annually in her memory to individuals or organizations that have made an outstanding contributions to children's book. The poem books speaks about the joy of reading. Now, here goes the poem. So wonder are our books as one opens them and looks. New ideas and people rise in our fancies and our eyes. The poet is describing about the importance of the book. The poet is saying as soon as we open the book and we look inside it, what we find? We find new ideas and we meet many people. The characters here, the people, the characters in our fancies and our eyes and in our imaginations, then those ideas we see, those peoples we meet. The room we sit in melts away and we find ourselves at play with someone who, before the end, may become our chosen friends. Melts away means disappear. Melts away means the room we sit in melts away, and as soon as we start reading the books, we involve in the book so much that it seems that we have melt away and we find ourselves at play, and then we find ourselves so much involved in the play with someone who before the end means soon, and now we become so close to the characters of the book may become our chosen friends, and then the characters we start finding them as our friends, or we sail along the page to some other land or age, and as soon as we start reading the poem we start moving with the pages and to some other land or age, and then we find that after some time where the characters are moving, we also start moving on the same land, same age. Here's our body in the chair, but our mind is over there. What is the poet saying? Here's our body in the chair. And when we start reading the books, the body remains in the chair, but our mind is over there. But our mind goes with the character where they go. Each book is a magic box which with a touch a child unlocks. The poet is saying each book is a magic box. Each book, every single book is a magic box which with the touch a child unlocks. And whenever we read that book, we go to some other magical world. In between their outside cover, books hold all things for their lovers, and in between all the books there is so much that a book contains. Short in this poem, the poet has written all the experience that a reader has when they start reading, how they come across the idea of the book, which way they involve themselves with the character of the book, what happens to them when they start reading, they get involved in the book so much that they forget that where they are. For them the body remains in the chair, but their soul they it goes with the poem, with the character, and the reader gets involved in the book so much that they leave their body and they move, they start flowing with the characters, with the stories, and then they move to other land, to other ages, they go to the imaginary world. They also become one of the character of the poem. They start sailing in the same boat with which the characters of the story are moving. Let's talk about the figure of speech used in the poem. As we can see in the first line, what worlds of wonder are our books. In this first line, what we have, it starts with W. Worlds also start with W, and wonder also start with W. It means when the repetition of same letter is shown, it means here which figure of speech is used? It is alliteration. Alliteration means repetition of the letters used. And here in the last stanza also, in the last stanza, each book is a magic box. Here books are compared with the magic box, but without using as well as or like as. Whenever the comparison is done without these words, just because these words we used in similes, so without these words, if the comparison is made between two things, it is called metaphor. So here the figure of speech the poet used is metaphor. And if you can see the last words of every line, there you will find a symmetry, like books looks, rise eyes, away play, end friend, page age, chair there, box unlocks, covers lovers. It means what is the rhyming pattern? AA, BB, away play, CC, end friend, DD, page age, EE, then chair air, chair there, FF, box locks, GG, and covers lover, HH. It's a very interesting poem written on books, what books are, which way they are good for us, what they give us, how one feels when they read books, what kind of informations they get, what kind of experience they experience. This is all given in the book. It is a very simple poem. You love to read it, so go through, read it, enjoy the poem. Stay home, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye.